You have to sing along with the ma'am, okay, with the actions. Okay. यूं तो गिलहरी छोटी सी, पूंछ उसकी कुछ मोटी सी, एक जगह ना टिकती वो, मुझसे ना कुछ भी कहती वो. वेरी गुड. अगेन. ओके. यूं तो गिलहरी छोटी सी, पूंछ उसकी कुछ मोटी सी, एक जगह ना टिकती वो, मुझसे ना कुछ भी कहती वो. Yes, very good. So we will do it again for the last time. Okay. Everybody has to sing along with the ma'am with the actions. Okay. Ma'am is looking at everyone. Okay. यूं तो गिलहरी छोटी सी, पूंछ उसकी कुछ मोटी सी, एक जगह ना टिकती वो, मुझसे ना कुछ भी कहती वो. वेरी गुड. क्लैप फॉर योरसेल्फ. यस, वेरी गुड. So what we will do next? We will do the phonics. Okay. We will do the phonic sounds. So let's start. Okay. So you have to say the sound. Okay. Repeat after me.
Everyone, I am looking at you, okay? You all have to say along with ma'am. Isn't it?
You have
All right.
to say along with the ma'am, okay? A says A. A says A. Okay. A says A. B says B. B says B. Yes. C says K. C says K. Yes. D says D. D says D. E says A. E says A. Yes. F says F. F says F. G says G. G says Go. Repeat after ma'am. Ma'am is looking at everyone. Repeat after ma'am. G says Go. Next comes is H. H says H. H says H. I says E. I says E. J says Jo. J says Jo. K says K. K says K. Next comes L. L says L. L says L. Repeat after ma'am. M says No. Sound of M is No. Then is N. N says No. N says No. O says O. O says O. P says P. P says P. Yes, repeat after ma'am. Okay. Next is Q. Q says Q. Q says Q. Repeat. Q says Q. Next is R. R says R. R says R. Rishabh? No? Look at the blackboard and read it loudly. S is sir. Ma'am, wait a minute. T says sir. T says sir. Repeat after ma'am. U says U says yes. V says V. V says V. W says V. W says V. X says cuss. X says cuss. Y says yeah. Y says yeah. And the last one is Z. Z says the. Z says the. Yes, so you have to revise this phonics sounds for your reading. You can improve your reading by phonics only. Okay?
All right, ma'am. Thank you. So, chalo, come on, kids. Now sit down. Divit, yes, where are you wandering here and there? Huh? Why? Why are you wandering here and there? I am looking at you. आप यहाँ वहाँ क्यों घूम रहे थे? Tell me that. I told you na in the beginning, here everyone have to sit in front of the screen. Then Divit, are you listening to me, Divit? Why are you wandering here and there? I am looking at everyone. Okay, what you all are doing or not. Pramukh, where are you? Pramukh? Chalo. All right, kids. Now, we'll move further. Okay? Now, before moving to our max work, हम लोग अब हमारा मैथ्स का वर्क करेंगे. बिफोर मूविंग टू दैट, लेट्स रिवाइज द वोवेल्स. ओके, देन विल मूव टू आवर फोनिक्स. ऑलराइट, so how many vowels are there? Acha, you do one thing. Let's do one activity. You do one thing. Mothers, kindly give them a rough page or rough copy. Come on. Kindly give them a rough page or a rough copy. So, kids, as you all know, how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. The number of the fingers that we have in our one hand. How many fingers we have in our one hand? 5. So, there are 5 vowels. जितनी हमारे हाथ में fingers हैं, उतने ही vowels हैं. So, kids, आपको पता है क्या करना है? What you have to do? जैसे मैम ने अभी कहा आपको कि हमारे हाथ में 5 fingers हैं and 5 vowels are there. So keep your hand on the page and you have to draw your hand. इस तरह से आपको अपना hand draw करना है. Look, in the same way, you keep your hand on the page, take the pencil and draw outline of your hand. Look in this way. ठीक है? Come on. And you do it yourself. आप अपने आप बनाओ. Come on. Do it yourself. थोड़ी लाइन आड़ी होगी, तिरछी होगी, but it's okay. Okay? You do it yourself. This will make you independent. Doing your work yourself will make you independent. Don't depend on your mommy for everything. Okay? So अब ये कितनी fingers है? How many fingers? 5 fingers. And how many vowels are there? How many vowels are there? 5, है ना? A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Yes. Done. Out. Done. Have you drawn the outline of your hand? Done. Chalo. Now, as we know, there are 5 vowels. So, in each finger, we have to write one vowel. आपको अपनी हर finger में एक vowel लिखना है. There are 5 vowels, and in our one hand we have 5 fingers as well. So now you have to write down one vowel in one finger. Okay, start. I think it's not visible now from the board, so I'll make the hand more bigger. Let's try to make the big hand. All right. So in each finger you have to write one vowel. So let's revise the vowel again. How many vowels? 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Come on everyone, before writing, let's revise. A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. This we had learned in our previous classes also. A, E, I, O, U. So we are going to write one vowel in each finger. Okay, let's take the another chalk. A, E, I, O, and U. These 5 are known as vowels. जो हमारे letters A to Z होते हैं, all the alphabets, from all the alphabets there are only 5 vowels. जितने भी 26 letters हैं, उनमें से there are only 5 vowels. Letter A to Z में से सिर्फ 5 vowels हैं, and the rest are known as consonant. बाकी के जितने भी letters बच जाते हैं, they are known as consonant. All right, only 5 vowels are there, and the rest are known as consonant. Okay, done. All right, now show me. Yes, Namasvi. Ayush. Okay, you have written in small as well as capital. Okay, good. And Padmanabh. Padmanabh, you not visible, beta. Nothing is visible. Okay, so he has not made the hand, ma'am. He has not drawn his hand. Okay, it is drawn. Yes, yes. Now I can see. All right, Padmanabh, good. Yatendra. Yes, Yatendra. Good. This is your hand. Okay. Understand? Among these 26 letters, from A to Z, there are only 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And the rest are known as consonant. इन 5 को छोड़कर जितने भी letters बचे हैं, they are known as consonant. क्या कहते हैं उसे? कमन से कॉन्सोनेंट. Speak everyone. Consonant, very good. Only 5 vowels are there and the rest are known as, जो बाकी के जितने भी letters बच गए यहाँ पर, they are known as consonant. Understand? All right, very good kids. Chalo, now let's move to another work. So come on, get your mathematics copy. Come on everyone. And you all know what you have to do first in your copy. Yes, you have to write down the date. Oh, today I forgot to write the date here. So the date is 23/7/2021. Ma'am used to say this every day, that you have to write down the date first before starting any other work. Ridhan, you unmute. Unmute. Ridhan, how many vowels are there? Tell me.
5 goggles. Goggle vowels. 5 goggles.
Vowels, yes, very good. Say.
Which 5 goggles. Which one?
Goggles, nahi, vowels.
Which one? A.
A.
E. I. O. Last one.
U.
U.
Yes, and the rest are known as. अच्छा, अभी मैम ने क्या बताया था? बाकी के बच्चे वे क्या कहलाते हैं?
बाकी के बच्चों को क्या कहलाते हैं?
कॉन्सोनेंट.
बाकी जो होता है वो लेटर्स क्या बोलते हैं उनको?
कॉन्सोनेंट. You should pay attention here. Ridhan, don't look here and there, beta. Pay attention in the class. The rest are known as consonant. ठीक है? And these are vowels, not goggles. Okay. Now get your mathematics copy and write down today's date. So today in maths, we are going to write the numbers. Counting started from 1 to 4040. So you all know, first of all, we have to read it and then write. Ma'am, यहाँ पर numbers दिखेंगी. First of all, you have to read it along with ma'am and then write. ठीक है? Shall we start? Have you written the date? Write down today's date on the top left corner of the page of your copy. All right, let's start. So, आपको पता है ना क्या करना है हमें? First we have to read the numbers and then we have to write. Come on everyone. After writing the date, keep your pencil aside. Date लिखने के बाद आपकी pencil को side में रखो. And everyone pay attention here. And mothers, please, it's a request to you. Kindly make sure that they read the numbers before writing. सिर्फ हमें लिखना नहीं है, we don't have to write only, we have to learn it as well. ठीक है? So first of all we have to read it. चलो, let's start everyone. Come on kids, join ma'am in reading the counting. Start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 1 0 10. Now you write down in your copy. First, we are going to read line, then numbers, and then you have to write it in the copy. ठीक है ना? You all are good. So, kindly pay attention here. You are grown up now. Why I have to ask you every time to pay attention, speak with ma'am? Leave one gap after each number. ये आपको I think पता है. You all know that you have to leave one block after each number. Write down neatly. Shall we move to next now? आगे बढ़े? चलो. Then, now everyone, pay attention here. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. And 2, 0, 20. Write down neatly. Read it and write it. Read it and write it. पढ़ो and लिखो. Beta, read it and write. Okay, done. Ma'am को लिखने तो दो at least. Let ma'am complete the word. Okay, then after 20, 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. After 25, 2, 6, 26. 2 7 27. Then after 27, 2 8 28. Then 2 9 29. And 3 0 30. Okay. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. Say and write. Then after 30, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, then 3 4, 34, 3 5, 35, 3 6, 36, then 3 7, 37, 3 8, 38, 3 9, 39, and 4 0, 40, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. So kids, you have to write counting from 1 to 40, 40. Write down neatly in your copy. Okay. Bye bye kids. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye everyone. Take care. Bye bye.